Samsung has revealed that its Notebook 9 Peruvian Nuevo Soles and Notebook 9 Pro will go on sale on March 17. The 2-in-1 pencil, as the name suggests, comes with an S Pencil and has an aluminum body that is just under 1.5 centimeters thick in the 13.3 model, and there are also versions with a 15-inch screen. The 13.3 model weighs 2.47 pounds and the larger versions start at 3.28 pounds. Samsung claims that the device offers up to 15 hours of use on a single charge. The laptop has fast charging capacity, 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, a USB-C port and support for Gigabit Wi-Fi. All models use the Intel 8565 UI7 processor. It has an Intel UHD Graphics 620 card, 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage. You can upgrade to GeForce MX150, 16 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD in the 15 model. The Notebook 9 Pro starts at $1,400 for the 13.3 inches model and $1,600 for the 15 version. The Notebook 9 Pro also has an aluminum finish with an active pen included in the box. It uses the same processor and base graphics card as its sister, with 256 GB of storage and 8 GB of upgradable RAM to 512 GB of storage and 16 GB of RAM. It also supports Gigabit Wi-Fi and fast charging, while Samsung says you can use the laptop for up to 14 hours on a single charge. The Notebook 9 Pro is available with a 13.3 screen and weighs 2.84 pounds, starting at $1,100.